right, so that was just our hash browns frozen and our container of our French onion dip all in our 9x13 pan. I'm kind of just breaking up that dip in there. It came out so perfectly with my little knife hack. So we're just gonna quickly give this a good mix, just like so. We're gonna keep that spatula because we're gonna come in with our cream of chicken soup, and I'm using the unsalted because you really don't need more salt with all of that French onion dip. But we're gonna use this whole entire can. You can make your own cream of chicken if you don't like the Campbell's, but I personally don't mind it, and I love that they have the unsalted, the fat-free, and the gluten-free options for this. All right, perfect. One more can of our Campbell's, but this is the cheese condensed soup, which is honestly so delicious. I absolutely love this cheese soup, and it's gonna give some great flavor to our loaded hash brown side dish. Oh my, I cannot wait for this to come together. It is so great as a side dish for a big potluck, or for, you know, if you're having guests over for the holidays. This is gonna be a must have. For seasonings, we're gonna do some Cajun seasoning, but you can honestly season this however you like. You could do some garlic powder, onion powder, but I think there's plenty of onion flavor with that French onion dip. I personally just love the Cajun seasoning on everything, and this is no exception. All right, that looks like enough. And then I am gonna add a little bit of pepper, but I'm gonna skip the salt because, like I said, that French onion has plenty of salt in it already. And also that cream, that condensed cheese soup has plenty of salt. All right, it is time to finish mixing this all together. Make sure that that French onion soup, the cream of chicken, the condensed cheddar soup, and that seasoning gets evenly combined together. Obviously, you could do this in a bowl if you had one big enough, but I do not have big bowls in my house. I just don't have space for it. So this is my go-to method for mixing things. And honestly, it's so much easier. You don't have to dirty another dish. Oh, and I just cannot wait any longer to get this in the oven because it's gonna be absolutely incredible. All right, we got this all mixed together. We're just flattening it out. We wanna make sure that is completely even in our 9x13 pan. You could also do this in a cast iron if that's what you prefer, but I don't like cleaning cast irons, so it goes back to me not wanting to do dishes. But that looks perfect. We have one last thing we're gonna add, and that is our Tillamook triple cheddar. Tillamook was on sale, buy one, get one free, so it got me all excited to make this recipe, but we're just using one bag of our triple cheddar here. You can use a mozzarella, a medium cheddar, a sharp cheddar, a mild cheddar. You can use all of the above for this, but I think the triple cheddar just gives you a good balance of everything. All right, this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for 1 hour. Oh my, these smell absolutely delicious. We got that browning cheese on the edges. Oh, this is gonna be a home run. All right, let's go ahead and get a serving. Oh, that looks absolutely phenomenal. Cheesy French onion potatoes. Those are way too good. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna love this.